Think about how many times you interact with the walls of your own house on an average day. You walk into a room, you flip a plastic switch. You feel a draft, you walk over to a thermostat and dial it up. By the time you finally go to bed, you've completed 30 or 40 of these tiny manual chores. Traditional homes operate as passive boxes of wood and wire. They sit completely inert, waiting for a human being to physically push a button or turn a knob before they do anything. All that manual management carries a hidden cost. Leaving a room and forgetting to kill the lights, or running the air conditioner on full blast when nobody is upstairs, results in a chronic daily waste of energy and a quiet drain on your time. A smart home automation system solves this by using the Internet of Things, a network of everyday physical objects connected to the web, to give your house a centralized brain. The modern living space is no longer defined strictly by its architecture. It has become a reactive environment, governed by conditional logic. The entire automation ecosystem runs on a single stripped equation. If this, then that. To build that logic, you start by pulling out your standard appliances and replacing them with smart devices. These are everyday items, bulbs, locks, and thermostats, manufactured with tiny embedded microchips inside. Microchips connect devices to a hub using network protocols like Bluetooth or Wi-Fi. In practice, an initial trigger, like a voice command, sends a signal to the hub. The hub instantly routes an actionable instruction to the specific device to execute. This continuous, invisible communication turns a random collection of isolated appliances into a unified, highly responsive nervous system. When that nervous system is running, the house proactively reacts to your presence. You step through the front door and find the living room already bathed in soft lighting, with the air conditioning running at exactly your preferred temperature. This flowchart illustrates how conditional logic uses geolocation. A rule triggers when your smartphone is exactly 1 mile away, telling the hub to activate the AC. Or, if the sun goes down, the system automatically dims lights and locks exterior doors. These programmed rules yield immediate personal benefits. You secure total daily comfort, and you recapture all those lost minutes spent walking from room to room adjusting your environment. You also secure a direct financial and environmental payoff. Because the house dynamically optimizes energy, shutting off power when room's empty, your monthly utility bills consistently drop. Smart home automation removes the small, cumulative points of physical friction from a standard day. At this stage, you have a system that executes your pre-programmed routines with total accuracy. But for any system to accurately anticipate human behavior, it has to constantly watch and listen to that behavior. Automated physical security cameras and smart locks offer incredible protection against physical intruders. However, their total reliance on an internet connection introduces a distinct digital vulnerability. This chart visualizes the massive volume of daily behavioral data points accumulated by a single household over a 30-day period. Every time a motion sensor trips, a temperature adjusts, or a voice command is given, the system logs it. Generating and storing that intimate data is the hidden, secondary cost of a smart home. To achieve maximum physical convenience and security inside your walls, you have to accept a massive new layer of digital exposure. That central hub in your living room operates as a highly sensitive repository of your private daily habits. And that hub rarely keeps this information strictly local. It utilizes cloud computing, continuously uploading your precise behavioral patterns to external corporate servers for remote processing. A smart home functions as an active assistant, converting static walls and wires into a system that works on your behalf. But it leaves you with a final conditional equation. If you want to live in the house of the future, then you must become a conscious manager of your personal data, deciding exactly what level of privacy you are willing to trade for ultimate comfort.